Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, this is me, Risa Albiriza. Great to see you all. Today we're going to talk about teaching ideas, tips and tricks, or tools, and platform that I use during virtual learning. I know it's challenging for us because it's almost 2 years in my country that we do virtual learning. I'm going to talk about one of the websites that I used during virtual learning. Yep, this is Educandy.com. Educandy.com, if you already use this website, make sure that you comment down below and add more information about that. Let's move on to the video. Okay, I will use my laptop here to access Educandy.com. You can use any browser in your laptop or your phone. Now I use my Chrome, so I will type this website here, Educandy.com. And yep, this is the first page. As you can see, you can create your edu games here. This is the sample activities that students can play. First of all, you can click 3 lines over there and then click sign in. And you should register your account here. If you still not have any account yet, just click register over there, and then you can click your username and email, and the registration confirmation will be emailed to you. But because I already have this account, so I will log in my account here. Yep, this is my activities page. We can create words, we can create matching pairs, and also we can click quiz questions. But first, I want to try to make word list. Alright, so you can create your list of words here, but first you should type the activity name and the activity subject. For example, like this: color, and the subject is English. And I will click create here. Alright, as you can see, you can add word here, and I will click the add word because I want my students to learn about kinds of colors here. I will write the kind of color, and yeah, it's already inserted. And you can write another word here, right, like this. Okay, I already had 6 words about kinds of color here, like red, yellow, blue, purple, white, and black. So here it is. This is the kind of activity that our students can play. Search, spell it, and also anagrams. Okay, let's try anagrams. Let's try the wrong answer. Oh. Okay, let's be a good player. Yay! Let's go back to my activities. Now we try a quiz question. And yep, here we should try the activity and subject first. Yes, it's about telling time, English of course. Let's create. Yep, here it is. We can add the questions, and then the answer. the alternative 1, the alternative 2, the alternative 3. After you finish to write the question and answer, you can click add questions. Then you can add another question, as many as you can. Alright, I already create 5 questions. If the students want to play the quiz questions, we should create the questions, at least 3 questions. So let's try. Yep, it's multiple choice. Okay, it's done. Let's go back to my activities page. If you want to share these activities to your students, we can share using the code here, or we can share the URL with copy them and then press and then share to your students. It's easy, right? Okay, that's all about Educandy.com. What do you think? Personally, I really enjoyed these activities because we can play and learn in the same time. But we cannot see our students' score. So if we want to check, sometimes we ask them to screenshot. Yep, the screenshot after they do the activities and then send it to us. So we can know and we can check their score. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and we can inspire each other. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.